came very unprepared is what I can say. एक तो हिंदी बोलनी ठीक से आती नहीं है, मतलब हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आती है पर हिंदी बोलने की आदत नहीं है. Okay, and this is primarily a Hindi show. And the second, so that was obviously something, you know, it took me time to translate what was going on in my head into Hindi.
I think I enjoyed this year much more than I enjoyed last year, because I used to always, tell her कि हम party से आते हैं. I sleep immediately. Why do you take so much time? अब Shark Tank के बाद ना Shark Tank में मेकअप लगता है. तो होटल जाके नहाता हूँ और मेकअप उतारना पड़ता है ना, नींद उड़ जाती है. And then you have to start early the next day. So my respect for women just increased because taking makeup off is a.
So this year I've become very focused on saying मुझे ऐसे ही entrepreneurs खोजने हैं. And the second is typically आपने देखे होंगे मेरे comments जो होते थे पहले पिछले 2 seasons में. My comments used to be more broader encompassing. This year पहली बार मैंने जो है काफ़ी deep जा रहा हूँ मैं हर business के अंदर में.
Embarrassing or weird कि लोग you're at the airport, someone will come and want to take a selfie with you and I'm always looking किससे बात कर रहे हैं, मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं, so it is a bit weird.
Shark Tank में जो वो खाने का pitch आया था अनुपम को तो बहुत पसंद आया, तुम्हें बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आया. And I don't know how to react to it. नहीं पसंद आया.
मुझे तो डांटा भी मेरे को. So I was like, I'm sorry, गलती हो गई. मैं वापस फोन करके उसे इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ. So someone actually I met, at a restaurant in Delhi, and they said they actually scolded me that you said no to that person. I said, yeah, I'm sorry,
Creators देख लो आप, Bollywood actors देख लो आप, सब बिजनेस शुरू कर रहे हैं. Everybody is becoming an entrepreneur. अभी आपने देखा होगा कोहली ने he left such a massive deal with Puma. And उन्होंने खुद अपने पैसे डाले हैं at Agilitas and set up a company, right?
Correct.
The Tank has started doing diligence on companies के revenues, उनका history, उनका taxation, उनका bank accounts, a lot of these things. जिससे at least जो लोग Tank में आ रहे हैं, there is a very high degree of qualification.
I mean, if they have complaints, they should come and vent them out. They should come and Internet has given everyone a voice. If they think we've wronged them or anything, please come out and talk to it.
And maybe we learn a lesson or two. If we made a mistake, I think there's absolutely
I
nothing
have
wrong with it.
absolutely no problem with the pitcher saying no to me post the deal.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express screen, and I am here in conversation with the Shark Tank India team. Hello guys, how are you all?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
This is so interesting because we have a new shark. We have a shark who's, this is the 2nd season and we have one with the 3rd season. So this is a very interesting mix. And
The youngest shark is the oldest shark.
Yeah.
In this
That's a
mix,
good
that's
one.
the case.
And you've heard everything we've been speaking so far. So it's a season, your season with all the
But I have a lot of different things to ask. And since you are the newest shark on the block, I'll start with you, Kanika. So, when you got this offer, was there a certain kind of homework also that you did? Because being in the tank as a pitcher is a different experience, but being a shark there with counter offers coming and negotiating, that is a different ball game altogether.
Can I just say I didn't know what I signed up for? Like seriously, so I never.
No, you can't say that. No.
So I came very unprepared is what I can say. एक तो हिंदी बोलनी ठीक से आती नहीं है, मतलब हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आती है पर हिंदी बोलने की आदत नहीं है. Okay, and this is primarily a Hindi show. And the second, so that was obviously something, it took me time to translate what was going on in my head into Hindi. तब तो ऑफिस निकल गए होते थे, pitch खत्म होने वाला होता था. And that was my initial experience. But beyond that, I don't think I ever did any homework for anything. मैं एक story बताती हूँ आपको यार. मैं बहुत stories बताती हूँ, but I think जब मैं पहले I didn't want to do sales in my company. तो पुनीत डालमिया, who is my first and only founder, उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि बेटा बॉस एज अ फाउंडर ना सेल्स करनी आनी पड़ेगी. इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू सेल यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. तो ठीक है, बहुत हिम्मत करके सेल्स करने गई. And then I didn't know how to do sales. I had never a lot of people have these fancy sales experience jobs, especially in the business that I am in. So I didn't read up anything about the customer. I had no clue about what I just knew who I was going to meet from where. And after 5-6 meetings of different customers, every time the sales pitch worked and they signed up with me. So I was talking to someone very experienced who used to sell very very high-end apartments in Delhi. जो अभी I think Delhi की शान है वो, Delhi गुड़गांव की शान है वो apartments. उसने मेरे को बोला है मैं तो पूरा
Camellias, yeah.
हाँ, मैं तो पूरा डोसिया बनाता हूँ कस्टमर पे. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके जाता हूँ, ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ. तो ऐसा देखो क्लोज करने में कितना टाइम लगता है. तो ये सर यार 3-4 मीटिंग तो लगती है. ऐसा बस मैं एक मीटिंग क्लोजर हूँ, एक बॉल मारती हूँ और खत्म करके आती हूँ गेम. I realized the difference between me and him was, he knew so much about the customer and I knew nothing. So I always went in with a very fresh approach. And I think that's the same theory I've used on Shark Tank. I mean, I call it a theory to make it sound fancy, let's just say the lack of time. But I really came here, unprepared in terms of, I wanted to be surprised also somewhere. I had no clue what I'd signed up for. My first pitch was the worst pitch ever. I think the producer came to me and said, "Jisko kyun le liya?" Like, he must be thinking that, kahan se aa gayi hai? I didn't even open my mouth because, like I said, by the time I thought of something to say, the pitch was finished literally. And we have human computers like Vinita and Anupam. जब तक मैं number लिखती थी, वो number process कर देते थे सारे. So I learned on the tank. I think it's been a lot of fun. But still, I don't think any pitch is the same or any day is the same.
Every entrepreneur is different.
Absolutely. Viraj, for you, it was your debut was last year, and this was the second year. Last year का experience कैसा था और इस बार what is going to be the
Last year experience, like what she said, I went through that last year. This time I came prepared. I knew what to say, what to do, and also it really helps. Like a lot of the co-sharks are friends, and I really had a good time. I think I enjoyed this year much more than I enjoyed last year. Last year I can totally relate to what you're saying. So this year was a totally, like जिसे कहते हैं ना, घर वापसी वाली story थी. मजा आया, friends थे, गप्पे मारी. The days are hectic, right? You start early morning and wrap up by 11 or so. So, and I did not, my thing about Shark Tank is very weird. As a man, I'm saying this. मेरा अपनी वाइफ ले इतना रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ गया बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल हर कि हम पार्टी से आते हैं आई स्लीप इमीडिएटली व्हाई डू यू टेक सो मच टाइम अब शार्क टैंक के बाद ना शार्क टैंक में मेकअप लगता है होटल जाके नहाता हूँ और मेकअप उतारना पड़ता है ना नींद उड़ जाती है एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अर्ली द नेक्स्ट डे सो माय रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वुमेन जस्ट इंक्रीज बिकॉज टेकिंग मेकअप ऑफ इज अ ordeal, it's
I'm glad you realized.
I swear so much respect. So that is one big learning from Shark Tank season 4 and Shark Tank season 5.
Absolutely. And Ritesh, I remember the first season, you called yourself the dolphin in the tank. And now from the dolphin to the baby shark to now a full-fledged shark, we've seen Ritesh evolve in the game. But you still continue to, like pitchers personally are very fond of you. I remember last season also, every pitcher I spoke to, they said, Ritesh is the sweetest shark. What do you have to say about this?
आपने देखा शो पिछले साल का? मैंने आपसे कहा था कि आपको देखना चाहिए।
सच्ची बता देगा कि नहीं देखा?
सच में I even had spoken to him.
And you also thought that I was the sweetest shark?
Of course.
बारी में भी
compared to how ferocious sometimes Anupam and Vinita and all.
क्या बात करो, अनुपम तो मुझे लगता था मेरे इतने ही स्वीट है।
You called them ferocious? अभी wait, I won't tell them.
पर कोई बात नहीं। देखो, I think Shark Tank evolves every year. The pitchers evolve every year.
And the sharks evolve even more every year.
तो sharks क्यों ना evolve करें?
Absolutely.
तो look, I think I have kept a lot of my dolphin characteristics. But that said, I have also learned about which companies work for me, which founders work for me. क्योंकि वो एक as entrepreneurs ना we become very good at pattern matching. कि हम देखते हैं कि अच्छा ये pattern ना मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है. तो I saw that जिन entrepreneurs में एक long term hunger होता है और एक sense of resourcefulness होता है, those entrepreneurs worked very well for me. So this year I become very focused on saying मुझे ऐसे ही entrepreneurs खोजने हैं. And the second is typically आपने देखे होंगे मेरे comments जो होते थे पहले पिछले 2 seasons में, my comments used to be more broader encompassing. This year पहली बार मैंने जो है काफ़ी deep जा रहा हूँ मैं हर business के अंदर में, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि the viewer also that we have, उन्हें काफ़ी इंट्रीग, क्योंकि पिछले 2 साल जब मैं व्यूअर से बात करता था जो हमारे दोस्त, वो कहते थे कि वो एक पिच था जिस पे आपने नेशनल रूरल लाइवलीहुड मिशन के बारे में बात किया, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था, उसका मैंने इस्तेमाल किया। तो देन आई थॉट कि अच्छा अगर मैं इतना कोई स्पेसिफिक बात करता हूँ तो लोग सुनते हैं, नहीं तो ऐसे लगता है कि यार शायद पीपल नॉट रिलेट विद इट, विच इज़ वाई दिस ईयर आई हैव ट्राइड टू बी ऑल्सो फार मोर डिटेल्ड और नुआंस्ड इन माई कॉमेंट्स।
Absolutely, and what also happens with Shark Tank India is there is a certain popularity also that comes with it, even being a shark. How do you deal with the weight of that popularity?
Well, I'll tell you this.
Are you trying to say he was not so popular before Shark Tank?
No, he was, but being on TV, so many people watching the show and all.
I'm just pulling your legs, don't worry.
But it is slightly embarrassing or weird कि लोग, you're at the airport, someone will come and want to take a selfie with you, and I'm always looking किससे बात कर रहे हैं, मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं, so it is a bit weird. And Ritesh is, I would say, 100x more popular, so maybe for him it's 100x.
Look, I think for to Kanika's point, I think before Shark Tank, because I was, for whatever reason, the press had talked a lot about my journey, both in good as well as critical terms.
Yes.
So I was known in the entrepreneurial community.
Yeah.
But after Shark Tank, there are two sets of people which is fascinating, and you'll find this, Kanika, very soon. People who are in between, I'd say 12 to 19 or 12 to 17. The popularity of Shark Tank among the Gen Z and Gen Alpha, unprecedented.
Absolutely.
And on the other extreme, यानी कि जो आप 50-year-old plus या 60-year-old plus, both of these segments were entirely new. These were the communities which for the first time started relating to you, and now they are fascinating conversations, right, when relatives come, because पहले तो होता था कि इनका business है, अभी होता है कि अच्छा शार्क टैंक में जो वो खाने का पिच आया था अनुपम को तो बहुत पसंद आया, तुम्हें बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आया, and I don't know how to react to it. नहीं पसंद आया, अब क्या करें? But I think reality is that is the, I was telling this earlier, this is the new India, where earlier the people who were recognized or were followed were people who were, you know, in creators or actors or, you know, in different professions. And today for the first time, you can be an entrepreneur and you could be someone that people really look up to. But it comes with a lot of burden, but it also comes with, you know, a sense of, you know, validation. कि what you're doing is actually a good thing. आप entrepreneur बनने अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
And the 60 plus audience came as a big surprise to me also. You know that the 60 plus audience is also really following you and seeing what you're saying, doing. It was a very big eye opener for me and very gratifying also.
पर उसलिए मैंने शार्क टैंक से पहले शादी कर ली थी. No chance.
I think for me, I'm still getting used to being called a shark. You know, my name is Kanika. Shark, 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 shark बोलते रहते set. That one is huge.
But also विराज, you know, last season के बाद आपको कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि किसी ने आपको ऐसे रोककर पूछा हो कि अरे आपने ये पिच में ये ऐसे क्यों बोला, या you know why didn't you contribute or you know offer a deal?
हाँ बोला भी और मतलब एक ने तो डांटा भी मेरे को. So I was like, I'm sorry, गलती हो गई, मैं वापस फोन करके उसे इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ. So someone actually I met, you know, at a restaurant in Delhi, and they
Oh my God.
said, they actually scolded me that you said no to that person. I said, yeah, I'm sorry, you know. So yeah, so which also kind of tells you like people are watching it with so much passion. It's amazing, and मैंने कहा वो पिक्चर आपके रिलेटिव है? कहते हैं नहीं. तो मैंने कहा फिर उस आदमी ने आपको पैसे दिए मुझसे बात करने? कहते नहीं, but I said फिर why you scolding me, you know? But so it's amazing, and all I can say it is I'm blessed and gratified. There's only gratitude because it feels good, you know. So people's passion is what drives the show completely, right? Not only the sharks and the pitchers, but also the viewers.
Also, Kanika, one very important tip that you were given on the first day of Shark Tank from your fellow sharks.
I think I should give you the filtered version. The unfiltered version. For sure.
We'd love the unfiltered
No.
version, by the way.
Don't let your fellow sharks scare you. Be the scariest. Okay, be the
Good
scariest I
advice.
added myself. But yeah, don't let your fellow sharks scare you. One of our good common friends who was a shark gave it to me.
Also, you know, over these years, we've seen the business market has evolved a lot, but also there is this, you know, common thought amongst people that businesses are not doing so well, or, you know, the business market per se is not very lucrative now. So as sharks also on a platform like this, when y'all are offering deals, you know, are y'all also very careful with, you know, what y'all want to pitch in and, you know, what y'all want to stay away from and things like that? Like, is there so much time that calculation also
नहीं
happens?
यार, I think यार हम लोग mostly ना जो भी बोल रहे हैं, at least for me, in my case, it's very gut and instinct related.
Okay.
Pitching. And यार, I think you know what crazy entrepreneurs do? They make things that don't work, right?
Okay.
And I mean, I started working in industries. सबने बोला market size नहीं है, कौन use करेगा? You know, when I went to the big funds, they were like, yeah, are you crazy? What's the market size? I always said, यार, Apple phone के लिए कभी market size था ही नहीं. You know, Steve Jobs made the phone and put it in front of our faces and said, boss, you've got to use it. So I don't think I've ever gone by any trend, or I know that is the way regular investing works. You know, people love investing in what's the trend of the season or what's the flavor of the season and what's working, what's not working. I think I've been a bit of a misfit all my life, and I like to go down the path not taken. So for me, it's it's never based on, you know, what is the. Of course, you know, I wouldn't do things that are like borderline illegal or. You get my point. I mean, I am a misfit, but to an extent where थोड़ा सा फिट जाती हूँ कहीं ना कहीं. But yeah, so I think it's always been about यार entrepreneur सही लग रहा है और idea से execute कर पाएगा. That's about
और
it.
कई बार
बाकी अपना काम है.
कई बार इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो रहा होता है देन यू सी किसी और ने ऑफर दे दिया एकदम
फिर
से
interest आ
इंटरेस्ट
जाता
वापस
है,
आ जाता है व्हाट एम आई मिसिंग एंड देन मे बी सो दिस टाइम वन ऑफ द पिचेस आई लव द फाउंडर्स आई जस्ट लव देम बट मेरे को इंडस्ट्री नहीं समझ आ रही थी सो आई मेड एन ऑफर दैट आई एम इन सब्जेक्ट टू अगर ये वन ऑफ माय फेलो शार्क्स इफ ही इन्वेस्ट I will invest with
Achha,
him
तो पक्का वर्मा वन फेलो शार्क में से invested.
I love you guys, but I don't know enough to, you know, enough about the industry. But this guy knows. I mean, I'm talking about Kunal. So I said, if Kunal invests, then I am coming with him. Otherwise, I'm sorry, I'm out. Luckily, Kunal
Invested?
invested, and then we both invested together.
Wow.
यार बट देखो मतलब आई डोंट नो आपको किसने बताया कि बिजनेस मार्केट बढ़िया नहीं चल रहा है.
हाँ बहुत सही चल रहा है.
Because I-
ये बहुत सारे मतलब it's a common sentiment.
आई नो हमारे कुछ दोस्तों ने भी कहा है ये बट माई परस्पेक्टिव इज आप इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग एट द नॉइस हम अगर डेटा देखें यार देखो हमारी स्टॉक मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई. आप देखो आज के दिन में मतलब क्रिएटर्स देख लो आप बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स देख लो आप सब बिजनेस शुरू कर रहे हैं. एवरीबडी इज कमिंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. अभी आपने देखा होगा कोहली ने ही लेफ्ट सच अ मैसिव डील
Yeah.
विद प्यूमा एंड उन्होंने खुद अपने पैसे डाले हैं एट एजिलिटास
Yeah.
एंड सेट अप अ कंपनी
Company,
राइट.
correct, yeah.
तो आज अगर मतलब कोहली एंटरप्रेन्योर बन रहे हैं एंड आई वाज
And
लिसनिंग
he's
टू
leaving such a huge deal with Puma, like you
Yeah.
said, you know,
He
that's
left
a
that.
massive deal.
उन्हें किसी ने पूछा कि इफ यू वुड नॉट बी एन क्रिकेटर व्हाट वुड यू बी तो उन्होंने कहा बी अ बिजनेस पर्सन. तो आज तो अपना टाइम आ गया दोस्त. अभी बस मेरा कोशिश अगला ये कि आपको कैसे लेके आने वाला है. तो
How
ये
do we
तो-
get you on this side? What's the secret sauce?
ये तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. Look, but that said, we are certainly careful कि हम कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करें because not only and at least from my perspective, right, I am trying to also raise the bar to say that I want to not just invest in great companies. I want to also set a precedent ki what are the absolute top quartile of companies that we will partner with at Shark Tank. So while we do that, but अभी तो मतलब असली टाइम और आएगा आप देखना कि मतलब अभी तो और बढ़ेगा बिजनेस वाली दुनिया.
Absolutely. But does this also happen that sometimes, you know, you'll bag a deal on the show and then, you know, when the due diligence happen, things just don't go right. Does that also happen at times?
Yeah, absolutely it happens. But I think that percentage is reducing by the year.
Okay.
क्योंकि अभी जो है पिछले 2 साल से एटलीस्ट मैं देख रहा हूँ द टैंक हैज स्टार्टेड डूइंग डिलीजेंस ऑन कंपनीज के रेवेन्यूज़, उनका हिस्ट्री, उनका टैक्सेशन, उनका बैंक अकाउंट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स जिससे एटलीस्ट जो लोग टैंक में आ रहे हैं देर इज़ अ वेरी हाई डिग्री ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन. पहले बता रहा था एक्चुअली द परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल who want to be on the tank to the one who come to the tank, 0.1% type people end up showing to the tank.
Right.
That is so small. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो percentage कम होते जा रहा है, but there are always some nuances that may happen. But I think now I feel that there are more situations where entrepreneurs may not take the deal of the shark than the other way around.
I think, yeah, I would say more than 95% is entrepreneurs saying no to us post viewing rather than the other way around. And a lot of credit goes to the Shark Tank organizers itself because they've done a lot of financial diligence before the picture
And also
reaches.
entrepreneurs have become very savvy ना, उन्हें भी पता है कि भाई मतलब बोल दो ना सीधे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. तो I think it is all becoming mature relatively and I think that's a very good thing. But most importantly, आप इस साल you'll find in the show many unique perspectives around diligence. जैसे पार्टनरशिप कंपनी है वर्सेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है. क्या आपने ग्लोबल या इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोर्ट्स को किस तरीके से फाइलिंग्स करी हैं. सो कंप्लायंस का रिक्वायरमेंट हैज बिकम वेरी बिग ऑन द टैंक, स्पेशली विनीता. आपने पिछले साल भी देखा विनीता इज़ वेरी लाइक
Oh, yes.
शी केयर्स अबाउट इट.
Absolutely. And, you know, also one very evident change that, you know, over these years, you all have been in this business, you know, in the game of business for so long probably. And I want to know that one very evident change that you all see in entrepreneurs today, which is a welcome change and something that also bothers you all. If each one of you all have to tell me that, what would that be for you all?
I mean, what bothers me?
Bothers you also, and one that you find very fascinating.
I see what I find fascinating is the confidence the younger lot have to be even if you look at Shark Tank, to come in front of 5 seasoned entrepreneurs and then holding their own. It is amazing, and that confidence of, you know, I would call it almost a new India, the confidence of new India. It is amazing, and also like really, I'm in awe of them, right? They can come and they can own the room in front of 5, you know, seasoned entrepreneurs. What scares me sometimes is that, you know, some of the younger founders, I find them lacking of, you know, the sexier things are being focused on more, like having a beautiful Instagram page or having a beautiful, you know, marketing setup. But business execution is 99% of the game. Ideas sabko aate hain, you know, but sometimes execution, which is, you know, I always say this, if I don't have any tattoos, one day I'll get a tattoo here saying boring is sexy. Because entrepreneurship is all about, Shark Tank we shoot for few days in a year, rest of the time we are very boring. We have our head down and we are just doing the boring stuff day in, day out, working. So entrepreneurship, while is very cool, don't forget that is just a byproduct. The real part is, the main thing is keeping your head down and working day in, day out.
I think what's really fascinating me, Nawaz, is the fact that this is a new India you're seeing. You know, I can tell you hundreds of things. To be honest, I'm in awe after shooting this show. I didn't think I would come out this inspired, this motivated, or this you know, ready to take on the world with this new drive. But I'm just in awe of how many smart people exist in this country. Like, I think there were very few pitches I didn't want to be a part of. You know, genuinely, and obviously, you know, not all of us have unlimited capital to give unlimited checks. So we have to make decisions amongst, you know, whatever pool of money we've got. But I've just been fascinated by the kind of stuff people are coming up with, how they're simplifying the smallest things in life, which we never thought of. You know, like I was telling them, there was this company that came with bangles, I'm forgetting their name. And these are 5 girls who come from a village in Gujarat, you know, who've not had any experience anywhere. They will teach you Instagram marketing, and they have built the whole business on Instagram. Wow. One girl who used to sit on Instagram and service all the orders. They're doing crores of business. They've got a massive profit line. They will tell you their, you know, numbers better than Vinita or me put together. To be honest, the terms they used were like fascinating and all self-taught. And boss, मेरे को लगता है वहाँ पे airport नहीं है, station नहीं है. You know, shipping करने के लिए takes forever. But they have built this, and you know, in Delhi, Bombay, you meet, like, I mentor a lot of young girls, and you meet people who will give you 100 excuses to tell you why things won't work. And then you meet these people who will give you one reason as to why it's working. Like, I've come out so inspired. मैंने बोला यार, अगर हर गांव में, हर district में ऐसी 5 लड़कियां मिल जाए ना यार, okay, the country is going to change. And imagine these 5 girls have enabled every single woman in their village. All of them are working for these 5 girls.
Right.
So I think that's, you know, it gives me goosebumps still talking about it. But I'm just like, yeah, that's the new India. You know, देश बदल रहा है, that line that's there, देश बदल रहा है, आगे चल रहा है. That is what Bharat is about. And I think that's really, you know, left me in awe. In fact, I've been thinking maybe I should, you know, take a sabbatical from work, if it's possible, for a few months and just travel these villages, meet these people and come back. But I don't think taking a sabbatical is an option for any of us at this stage. On what scares me, on the other hand, I think, is, you know, like, sometimes I think people are getting into entrepreneurship for the sake of getting into entrepreneurship.
Okay.
And you get some very, very cocky, overconfident pitches, you know, where they think they're solving the world's greatest problem, when they're doing nothing but solving their own ego issues. I'm sorry to be so dumb. I mean, I'm not diplomatic, as you can see. You know, I've got 2 very diplomatic dolphins next to me. And that really, really scares me, because मेरे को लगता है यार, ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं. And I'm going to keep it at that. I'm not going to talk further.
यार, I was dreading this moment क्योंकि question क्या था?
The question was,
तू क्या सोच रहा
that
था
one thing that fascinates you about entrepreneurs today and one thing that really bothers you.
Bothers me, हाँ.
What was
Sorry
it?
यार, मैं कल ना,
बताइए
अरे कल, I'll tell you, मैं कल रात को I went to watch the match at Lucknow.
And
वो
form
match
में
cancel हो
फंस
गया,
हाँ.
है ना? तो and many things of, but I finally showed up here, so I'm happy.
Well done.
Coming, देखिए, what excites me is आज के दिन में ना entrepreneurs को छोटा business बनाना ही नहीं है यार.
Okay.
They want to build like the best and the biggest, and ये आप देखो ना हमारी in the showbiz business also आप देख रहे हैं कि लोग, people don't want to build any more movies saying कि मैंने कुछ छोटी movie बनानी है. Everybody wants to build the absolute biggest outcome, which I think is great. I think as entrepreneurs, salute to that, and you know, if you're going to think anyway, might as well think big. What bothers me is saying that आई थिंक शॉर्टकट्स का इम्प्लीकेशन लोगों को नहीं पता, राइट? कई बार जो है वो शॉर्टकट होता है कि एक छोटा बिजनेस कुछ कर लेते हैं, साइड गिग कर लेते हैं. साइड गिग इज़ फाइन, बट आई थिंक एनीथिंग विच इज़ अ शॉर्टकट
Yeah.
which will come to bite you in a very big way, उस समय it doesn't matter. उस समय इंसान के अपने आप को समझा लेता है कि हाँ बनता है मेरा, अब क्या करें, आई एम अ स्मॉल बिजनेस. बट व्हेन यू बिकम बिग इट कम्स एंड इट कम्स विद अ बिग कॉस्ट. और वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली विच इज़ वॉट आई होप दैट वी ऑल विल डू एज शार्क्स विद एंटरप्रेन्योर्स दैट कम अराउंड, एंड होपफुली पीपल हु वॉच इट विल हेल्प देम. क्योंकि वो शॉर्टकट्स जो है ना उस समय विल नॉट मैटर, बट लॉन्ग टर्म कम्स विद अ वेरी लार्ज कॉस्ट. एंड
Very true.
you know, I'll tell you this, when I was raising my first funding, I was 17 years old, 17-18 साल का था मैं. तो हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने कहा कि आपके पेरेंट्स से हमें मिलना है क्योंकि उन्होंने तुम्हें कॉलेज भेज दिया, including your friend.
शादी करा दी तो क्या हुआ?
No, that's I laughed because I remember that meeting.
His friend was one of my investors. He was also part of that consortium. He was not the person driving it, but another person drove it, saying कि हमें आपके पेरेंट्स से मिलना है कि वो कमिट करें कि आपको कॉलेज नहीं भेजेंगे नहीं तो हमारे पैसे रुक जाएंगे.
तो लिखित में लिया क्या? कॉलेज नहीं भेजेंगे,
नहीं,
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
नहीं,
किया?
उससे ज़बानी बात कर ली,
ज़बानी.
right?
पता कह रही हूँ.
So in that meeting, I remember my dad telling them that because they were explaining him कि मतलब you know आप नहीं जानते आपका बेटा इतना bright है. He said मैं इसे आपसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझ जानता हूँ. Right? So he told, look, I get very worried that I have tried to sort of make sure that I give him the right value system.
Right.
I don't want success to get to his head. And that was very, like, I remember this very distinctly that it mattered to him. And I remember this very closely because I thought I will not let him down about that. Right? I will try and make sure that he never feels other way around. So my perspective is, in any way, we can let our entrepreneurs know that shortcuts come with a cost. These guys are very bright kids. They will take care of it.
Right.
I
Also,
hope
you
I
know,
answered it well enough.
Absolutely,
Despite
it was a very wonderful answer.
And she's
But finishing, winding up, don't worry. So, you know what happens is every year we see this pattern. Once the show starts, pitchers who back the deal are very happy, but pitchers who don't back the deal have a lot of things to say. Last season also that happened, that, you know, pitchers who probably were grilled technically during the pitch had a lot of things to say. As the Sharks, how do you all react to, you know, these remarks that they make? Oh, they were not listening to us carefully, or they were very impatient, or they kept on snapping us, things like these.
मुझे लगता है उनका बनता है यार. आप देखो एक पिच में हम बैठे हुए हैं, हम ही उन पे जजमेंट पास कर रहे हैं. वो तो बेचारे सिर्फ अपना कंपनी को डिफेंड कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट it's fine. I think they have an opinion and they're
absolutely.
entitled to it. मुझे उससे कोई दुराई नहीं. At least that's my view.
I fully
You know,
agree.
about to say exact, and why not let them come and vent. If they have, I mean, if they have complaints, they should come and vent them out. They should come and they should. Internet has given everyone a voice. If they think we've wronged them or anything, please come out and talk to it.
And maybe we learn a lesson or two. You know, if we made a mistake, I think there's absolutely
I
nothing
have
wrong with it.
absolutely no problem with the pitcher saying no to me post the deal, because it's his business and it's his right. As a Shark, I will not say no to you on something which has been agreed on. But if you feel that there's something better for your business, if I was in your place, maybe I would have done the same also. So it's okay. हर एक चीज को इतना दिल पे लेके इतना stress नहीं लेना चाहिए. They are also there building their businesses. So best of luck to them and more power to them.
And I think it's their job to go out and defend themselves. You know, they've got to stand up in what they believe in. So,
Absolutely. And before I let you all go, there is one very fun
but
segment.
we're running.
No, it's called Truth Bombs. Okay.
हम
What
तो
I'm
ऐसे
going to do
dolphins
is
हैं, हमारे
I'm going to ask you all a question, and you all have to tell me which shark is, fitting there. So, if you all have to tell me the sweetest shark in the tank.
Ritesh, I think.
I haven't worked with these two. But Namita?
Yes. I would
Namita
also
actually, Namita and Ritesh, yeah.
Okay, which shark is the fiercest?
Anupam, Aman? One of them.
No, Aman is not fierce. I'd say
Anupam.
fierce. I'd say I would say analytically fierce. I don't
Yeah.
think that Anupam
No,
will
there's
like.
no one who's fierce.
हाँ, मतलब he's not like
Fierce
fierce.
with these, like, मैं जाके I'm going to close this.
हाँ,
ले
ऐसा
that.
नहीं है. But I think Anupam is certainly very like
Boss, he's got
very
300
clear.
companies in his portfolio. उसको पता है क्या कर रहा है. हम लोग तो बच्चे हैं.
He's been doing this for too long.
I think, yeah, I don't, frankly, fierce is a
नाम
wrong
बोल.
adjective. नहीं है नहीं, कोई genuinely नहीं है. मेरे को like in my
See, I
family I've
told you,
never
what-
really had this thing fears, but I genuinely, and he's my brother, my closest friend. I love the way Kunal closes his deals. He's
Oh,
very
absolutely.
fierce about closing the deal, but he's not rude, he's not harsh.
No, no, not
I
at
mean,
all,
and
yeah.
he's like family for me.
Yes, so
Kunal.
analytical
So
fierce
that
is Anupam.
yeah.
Deal closing
Deal closing
fierce is
fierce is
Kunal.
Kunal.
That's a good way to
Yeah,
put it.
that's a good way to put
Okay, who's the most easygoing shark?
it.
I would like to say me. I'm very easygoing.
I think Mohit for me, very
Yeah.
chill.
I
very
haven't
laid back.
really, you know,
Yeah,
worked
you
with-
haven't shot with him, so
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you've done any.
I would say Vinita. Vinita is super easygoing. Like she's, and I've done a
Yeah.
lot with her over
I'm
the
sure.
years, and she's like, I find her super chill.
Who's the most competitive shark?
All, everybody. I mean,
I mean, if you're a shark, you got to be competitive. So
Okay. Also, which shark has the highest net worth?
I think so. Yeah.
Ritesh.
I think
and
net worth is the प्यार that you have और उस पे
नेट पे
बिल्कुल
अच्छा बहुत हम्बल बन रहा है. कहाँ ले जा रहा है हम लोग को घूमने कल पता.
प्लेन तो इनके हैं ये
पैसे
जहाँ
तू
पे
देगा ना.
Amazing. Well, on that note, thank you so much. Wish you all the
Thank
very
you.
best
Thank you.
for
thank
season
you so
5.
much. Thank you for having
Thank
us.
you for
Pleasure
having
talking
us.
to you.
Lovely
Thank
talking to
you.
you.